closer. What is that noise? It's not getting any farther away. It's the sound of wagons. And they're circling again.
Hello, Andy, my old friend. You're having back a stay again. And it's clear that you're stress eating into a medium rare you are weeping. And the sound that is planted in your brain still remains. It's the sound of a wagon. And he swallows his tomahawk bone. With no more meat, he's left alone. Head coach of the Super Bowl champs, foggy visor from the meat sweats. He hears that noise, and nervous, he reaches for his knife for one more bite.
There's no more steak left, Andy.
But all he can hear is the sound of a wagon. Where are you at Bill's Mafia? Oh yes, you're in the parking lot. People's wagons circling, people's tables smashing, people throwing dongs that fly through Orchard Park air, and he's scared of the sound of wagon. Fool, I said your clue runs low, like a cannon Josh he throws.
Hear wagons' words.
Hear wagons' words that might teach you.
That I might teach you.
Oh,
That's your team. We'll soon be 4-2. But my words, like Patrick Mahomes, they fell and echoed in the shells, in the bonnets,
and echoed
in the shells of wagons.
And he looked dismayed with each play that did he made. And the sound never stopped rumbling, and in circles wagons were forming. And the sound was taped, but also somehow heard live on One Mills Drive, Kansas City Drive.